Hello everyone, welcome back to MEP Expert. In this video, I will guide you step by step to install Primavera PC extension. First of all, download setup file from link given in description. After clicking, it will take you to this page. Double click on this and download from here. Download anyway. Start downloading. It will take some time. Now downloading is completed. After downloading, you will see this type of folder in your download section. Extract this folder. Extract all. Double click on this. Right click and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Make sure select Typical. Click OK. Install. It will take some time. Make sure you should click on Run Database Configuration. Click OK. After click OK, it will ask you either you select your existing database or add new database. Always remember, if you are new to P6, then you should create your own database. For creating new database, click Add. Write here your name and convert this to P6 Professional SQLite. Click on Add a new database and connection and click Next. Okay. Here write your login name. I can write my login name. Okay. This is my personal name. Write your password. You can write 12345 and 12345. Click Next. After click Next, either you want to load a simple data or not. I suggest to click this load a sample data and click on save. Device is saved successfully. Okay. Now you can now your P6 is completely installed. Open. Here you can see on which database you are running. Here is it also advanced option. Select a database. I can select this database. Okay. Connect. Okay. Change your login name in here and write your password. Click connect. As you are an engineer and we have to select the industry we are working. Okay. For selecting your industry, go to admin preference and go to industry. Here you can select your industry type: engineering and construction, government, aerospace and defense, high technology and utilities, oil and gas. I select engineering and construction and close. Okay. Here this is your simple projects and this is your interface of Primavera P6. One more thing, if you face any problem during installation, email me which is given in description, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.